Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display dark clothes in matchmaking on the Clash of Clans application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the more settings option. In the attack settings section you can find the show dark clothes in matchmaking, and if you want to turn off, just click to the off button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.